first class marriage
on the dashboard by the radio.
with his cousins.
Going out here.
Going on another adventure before I go back to North Carolina. Been there before a long time ago.
Sorry for the loud car.
It's alright, we were in Detroit, Michigan, home.
Holy fuck, this thing's bright.
So am I. No, that's
This-
Josh's. We're gonna see what goes on. Here we are. Inside. Time to look around and shit, I guess. Not that. Let's try and get to like a floor where there's like no windows. This is all open up. We're gonna come back once we're in a better place. Okay guys, U.S. Army survival tip. Don't fall in something like this.
Yes. You need light.
Yes.
That's
Always watch your footing.
the whole floor.
Well, I got a brighter light. Yeah, there we go.
Whose lights that's open?
Oh,
No one outside this.
let me turn on this autofocus and see how that does. Does this autofocus? Yeah. Anyways. Okay, it's not really autofocusing, but whatever. Is it?
Ooh, that looks cool.
What?
With the flare on it.
Oh, yeah.
I'm just gonna
Wanna,
try to get.
wanna go over here? So if we are, for some reason, running for our lives, still watch where you're going. This is a courtyard. I remember this place, this part. I know you can't see anything, and I hope you can hear me, but we're currently hearing very loud noises. Like we're not alone. I don't know if you can hear it. But lights are off right
Let's
now.
go. It's over here.
Okay, we determined it was just wind. And I got a 50mm lens right on because I was going to take some B-roll shots, but there's like a little tunnel. So continuing. That down there is downtown Detroit. Right over there. That's the book tower down there. You can see the casino, GM building, and what else? Thank you. And all the beautiful traffic. I know this is probably ruddy and shit. Oops, a light. On. Okay. But we're in like the I guess main lobby. I didn't really record so much of the bell tower, I don't think.
Oh, you recorded the bell tower?
No, I think I'm not sure. Kind of slipped my mind.
I think you were, yeah, you did.
Yeah, I think I did. I took some B-rolls or whatever. Yeah, I did. Oh yeah. Still over here. So if we go down and we take that, we gotta go to these other floors and stuff.
The ones to our right.
Yeah. Now that we're back, we go.
We're on the roof. These were what we were looking at.
Yeah, we're here.
Okay. It's just a courtyard. You can't really see it, but
I can't see it.
it's like a fresh spray paint can. Oh yeah, down here. We gotta go down here. What's that? What the hell is this? Like,
There's still like a screen on that one.
it's like some old, what you said.
Radio.
This is a radio.
Car.
No.
Looks like
Yeah, it's spinning and it's all spooky. New dawn, new opportunities. We at Jeep Truck Engineering. I guess Jeep was here too at some point.
We're in our rightful place on the campus.
Oh yeah, it was right back here that happened. It was right back here where we thought we saw what we thought was a body, but it was just like clothes and stuff piled up to where it looked like a dead guy. It was funny. Very funny.
it was right here.
Yeah, it was.
It was right here.
Oh,
So backstory, guys. Last
tough
time
as
we were
stone.
here, we were all the way down there and coming this way, and from afar, it looked like there was a dead body. Because there was like clothes in a bag and stuff. And it looked like a
Yeah.
body.
It's a big old courtyard.
I'll show you this water.
We're alive. It's very cold. But until next time. Here's Detroit again.